Content. Introduction to GMP. Background. What is GMP? 5P of GMP. Fundamental rules of GMP. Why GMP is important. Take-home message. Introduction. Good manufacturing practices, or GMP, is a system that consists of processes, procedures, and documentation that ensures manufacturing products, such as food, cosmetics, and pharmaceutical goods, are consistently produced and controlled according to set quality standards. Background. There were many tragic events happened around the world with respect to the safety and efficacy of drugs which lead to the deaths of many people. After all these incidents, FDA felt the urgent need to propose some guidelines in order to ensure that the product coming to the market and to the users should be regulated by GMP. The GMP regulations were finalized in April of 1969 and published as Part 128 of the Code of Federal Regulations, CFR. In 1977, Part 128 was recodified and published as Part 110 of the CFR. The final GMP regulations were very broad, not specifying what exactly a facility must do to comply. The GMP regulations grew out of legislation passed because terrible tragedies either killed many people or almost did. GMP ensures that the medical products we use are safe, pure, and effective. Everyone who works in the life science industry is responsible to ensure that their organization's products do not harm the customer and that they do what they are supposed to do. If you were using your own product, wouldn't you want it to be manufactured according to the strictest of standards? What is GMP? Definition as per WHO. Good manufacturing practice, GMP, is a system for ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. GMP, which stands for Good Manufacturing Practices, is a set of rules and standards that govern how pharmaceutical products are made. It includes specifications for ensuring quality, consistency, and safety in the development, manufacturing, and distribution of medicines. GMP was designed to ensure that safe and effective drugs are produced for patients. It also helps ensure that patients get the right drug at the right dose, with the right side effects, and using the right manufacturing process. GMPs examine and cover every aspect of the manufacturing process to guard against any risks that can be catastrophic for products, such as cross-contamination, adulteration, and mislabeling. Some areas that can influence the safety and quality of products that GMP guidelines and regulation address are the following. Quality management, sanitation and hygiene, building and facilities, equipment, raw materials, personnel, validation and qualification, complaints, documentation and record keeping, inspections and quality audits. 5 P's of GMP. cGMP. While GMP and cGMP are mostly used interchangeably, the addition of the term current to cGMP intends to remind manufacturers that the system and technology they're using must be up to date, aligned to current standards, or compliant with the latest regulations. The fundamental rules of GMP. Get the facility design right from the start. Validate processes. Write good procedures and follow them. Identify who does what. Keep good records. Train and develop staff. Practice good hygiene. Maintain facilities and equipment. Build quality into the whole product life cycle. Perform regular audit. Why is GMP important? Patient safety is the main goal of the GMP. GMP is an essential regulatory practice in pharma that regulates quality standards. This practice ensures products, drugs, meet prime quality standards and are safe for consumers' consumption. GMP makes sure that the drug contains the necessary active pharmaceutical ingredients, serves its the purpose for use, and has no severe, life-threatening side effects. Not only does GMP reduce risks but benefits the industry in several ways. For example, the regulator may not approve a product due to lack of compliance with GMP. Take-home message. Before you can recognize an error or an inconsistency, you must first have a benchmark. Through the implementation of GMP, manufacturers create common guidelines. This way, when a sample item is tested in a laboratory, the manufacturer knows that all the other items in the same batch are of similar quality. The full training course is available on demand for on-site, online, and hybrid forms.